non-observant Jewish coworkers offer us an open packaged kosher snacks, for example, chips. Are we allowed to eat it?
I think so, yeah. I mean, they're not going to like substitute it to put like, nobody does it, right? I mean, so what we're afraid that they would take some non-kosher chips and put it in a kosher chips package. So I mean, they say snack, they did not say chips. So what would there be the problem with chips? For example, I give you an example. Me personally, I stopped eating chips long time ago. It's very not healthy, right? But what I remember from long time ago, so there is some companies that all of them, like they have millions, they have flavors, all of them are kosher, but if they have dairy, like sour cream flavor, it would not be kosher, because I mean it would be too much to supervise, I guess. You understand? So that's just that this brand is kosher does not mean that all of the like flavoring are kosher. You understand? So the easiest thing for them to certify like plain, like classic chips or something. There's like potatoes and oil. Of course, we have to check the oil. Hopefully, there is no pig in that oil, and that's it. And I don't know, some spices. That's it.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.